AAOI has exploded back into the spotlight after delivering a decisive Q4 earnings beat and issuing bold long term guidance that dramatically reshaped investor expectations. The combination of accelerating AI data center demand, aggressive capacity expansion, and rising analyst price targets has ignited a powerful rally alongside intense debate about valuation and sustainability. Up, as you can see, 55.39% as we count down to the close of today's trading session. That is today, the 27th of February 2026. Okay, so the $1 billion revenue target, the management of the company set an ambitious tone, guiding 2026 revenue above $1 billion, more than $120 million in non-GAAP operating profits, Q1 revenue of $150 million to $165 million, extending the momentum from Q4. That forward outlook fundamentally shifted the growth profile narrative. If achieved, AAOI would more than double revenue within a year, transforming from a volatile small cap optics name into a scaled AI infrastructure supplier. 800G and 1.6T, the real story. This rally is centered on next gen optical interconnects. 800G revenue dipped below $4 million in Q4 due to firmware delay, but the management expects a major ramp starting in the Q2 of this year, 2026, and expecting that it will generate more than $25 million initially, accelerating thereafter. 400G demand surged 141% year over year, crushing the temporary 800G softness. 800G demand currently exceeds capacity through mid 2027. 1.6T revenue is expected to begin later in 2026. Combined 800G and 1.6T capacity is targeted to exceed 500,000 units per month by end of 2026. Okay. Key message from management: demand is not a constraint capacity. It's not the constraint capacity. Capacity is okay. Let's see. Okay, analysts are now bullish. Needham raised its target to $80. B okay, has since exceeded that now. B Riley upgraded the stock to neutral from sell with a $54 price target. Okay. Institutional buying and rising analyst conviction have added fuel to the rally, reinforcing the idea that AAOI is no longer a speculative turnaround, but an AI optics growth story. The short squeeze narrative, with meaningful short interest and rapidly improving fundamentals, traders are openly speculating about a squeeze. The stocks post earnings surge, yeah, which we are looking at right now, was aggressive and high volume, pushing momentum into parabolic territory. Yes, I think so. We'll see that much later. Long-term holders are celebrating predictions of a path towards $100 plus, while momentum traders are chasing the breakout. So the bear case valuation is valuation and volatility. Not everyone is convinced. Concerned center around rapid valuation expansion following this rally. A recent $250 million stock offering. The stock's history of dramatic boom and bust cycles. Customer concentration: three customers represent 91% of Q4 revenue. The largest CATV customer alone accounts for 39%. Execution risk on the aggressive 800G/1.60 ramp. Firmware timing and hyperscaler order lumpiness. Tariff and geopolitical exposure. Skeptics warn that AAOI has historically experienced sharp price spikes followed by severe drawdowns, and they question whether expectations have now overshot fundamentals. Okay, let's see where we have. Yeah. Okay, you can read more in the description box below. Okay, let's see what we have. The market has just closed now for the week, for the month. So next time will be in March. Okay, so the stock is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bullish trend. Okay, everything is aligned in a proper order. 10-day moving average, fastest of the moving averages we have here, or everything in the right order. So the stock is trending, robustly trending. Okay, 10, 21, 40, 200. We want them in this order. High prices are expected to continue to print all the way towards the 6th of April. Okay, projections, I don't think we have anything. No, we don't have anything to the upside. We have downward projections. It has gone parabolic. That's why 46.83, 52.62, 56.20. Okay, let's see. We have okay. No, as of the 24th of December, the algos were projecting that it was going to break out. You can see that here, 26th of December, actually, yes. Initiated this projection of 56.81, and then continued again with a slight moderation. And it didn't continue, we didn't insist on it, but it has come back into play and has gone beyond now. Okay, so momentum is expected to remain volatile. Momentum is on the 10-day moving average is expected to continue to weaken from from Wednesday the 4th of March is expected to begin to decline. Let's see whether we have alignments. Let's see whether the moving averages are aligning. Let's have a look at the 21-day moving average as well. Yes, okay, we're pretty much aligning. Yes. Okay, let's have a look at the. I'm sure we may have the same thing. Let's have a look at the 21 day and the 200 day. Yeah, I think we have yes, pretty much they are all somewhat, yeah, or they're all aligning. Yes, that's why the stock is trending. Is in a trend mode. Okay, the moving averages are all aligned in the proper order. Okay, so um, I wasn't surprised to see this extrapolations all aligning, showing the same thing. And momentum is going to continue to weaken. Yeah. So when you have them in unison, when you have them all in alignment, then it confirms the trend. The Yeah, it confirms an uptrend or a downtrend, as the case may be. So they are, moving averages, everything are all in the right order, and that is why their extrapolations are equally showing the same thing as well. Yeah. Okay, we'll just quickly glance at its weekly chart. We want to see if the algos are also on the weekly chart are also extrapolating high prices all the way towards the 6th of April. Yes, is that what we have? Yes, yes, yes. You can see that. This is 6th of April. It is still expecting that higher prices will continue to be there. So we have an alignment. Yes, we have an alignment, and there's a chance that may well be what may happen. But fingers crossed, it has run up a huge amount of gain. It's natural to expect a pullback to happen. Okay, so yeah, it's actually maybe at some point it's saying here maybe from the 7th of March, which is sorry, from the 9th of March, which is Monday, 9th of March. Yeah, yeah. and then after that, from the 10th, it may resume. It's saying that it may continue the uptrend, but with volatility. So see what you make of AAOI, and thank you very much for watching this video.